Welcome to Learn with Sarmit Ali. In this slide we will discuss the word laconic. Meaning of the word laconic is brief and to the point. Synonyms of the word laconic are concise, terse, succinct. Antonyms of the word laconic are talkative, wordy, verbose. Sentence: his laconic reply made it clear he was not interested in the discussion. In this slide we will discuss the word throng. Meaning of the word throng is a large, densely packed crowd of people or animals. Synonyms of the word throng are crowd, multitude, horde. Antonyms of the word throng are few, handful, scarcity. Sentence: a throng of fans gathered outside the stadium to welcome the team. In this slide we will discuss the word intrepid. Meaning of the word intrepid is fearless, showing courage. Synonyms of the word intrepid are brave, daring, bold. Antonyms of the word intrepid are cowardly, fearful, timid. Sentence: the intrepid explorers venture deep into the uncharted jungle. In this slide we will discuss the word accost. Meaning of the word accost is to approach and speak to someone aggressively. Synonyms of the word accost are confront, approach, hail. Antonyms of the word accost are avoid, ignore, evade. Sentence: the journalist was accosted by protesters outside the courthouse. In this slide we will discuss the word reticent. Meaning of the word reticent is not willing to share thoughts or feelings readily. Synonyms of the word reticent are reserved, quiet, secretive. Antonyms of the word reticent are talkative, open, outspoken. Sentence: she was reticent about discussing her personal life with colleagues. Like, share and subscribe my channel Learn with Sarmit Ali for learning English daily.